Hello Kizomberos, I'm Armand.
And I'm Lavinia.
And today we are going to learn Virgula plus Retrocesso.
This movement combines Virgula and Retrocesso lessons that we already learned, and this brings the dance to a whole nother level, making it more circular and bringing it more dynamic.
Five, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now imagine that you have a diagonal line. Okay, I'm gonna stay like this. On the first step, I step diagonal here. With the right leg, I go back on the same line, diagonal, 2. And now I will do a cha-cha move, step, step. With the left leg, I do step. With the right one, step. And now I go on the same line, diagonal, with left leg. 1, come back, 2 diagonal, cha, cha, and at the end I will do 2 more steps. Step, step, and close.
Followers, on the first step, you just need to mirror your partner. That means I'm gonna point with my heel, then with my toes, I do 180 cha-cha, cha, cha. Again, I'm stepping with my heel first, then my toes, and again, cha, cha, and I have 1 step in the back, and the second one, and marca.
Now, I will use my body. I'm here. When I step, I try to point with the chest in the same direction. Here, I don't do anything with my body. And when I start the cha-cha move, my chest, my body, are going to go like this, towards my left. I'm cha, cha, and pointing my chest towards my toes. Here I don't do anything, and now from this position I try to open a little bit, like this, my chest. Cha, cha, and forward, forward, and close. Okay, in couple, I try to hug a little bit more with my right hand, and from this position I do the first step. Here I try a little bit to pull with my right hand to keep her close. From this position I pull a little bit with my right hand, and this is the tricky part. I use my body to open my chest. I open, I step with intention. I go back, and now I open towards my left. I open, step, step, and close. Some tips and tricks for you. The first one, it's important not to stay in place on the cha-cha move. You have to travel the circle. I'm here, 1, 2, and now I'm not going to do it like cha-cha here and try to go more on the next step. I'm going to do it like 1, 2, and travel. Cha, cha, and step, go back and travel. Cha, cha, and step, step, and close.
Another tip that's important both for leaders and followers is to keep mostly the legs in the same position. I'm going to show it on my follower step, but it's important, and same thing for him as well. I step on the first one. On the second one, it's mostly on the same part of the floor, yeah, and from here I continue, I travel, then kind of same place, and I'm traveling and closing the movement. Second one, think about this movement as circular. You can do it more than 2 times than we did it here. So you go once, and the cha-cha, then again, and you don't have to stop here. You can continue, again, stepping on the diagonal line until you get dizzy. I will stop here, step, step, and together. Last one, it's about how big or how circular the movement gets. Once you get used with the diagonal, you can orientate even more your legs, your toes, and your heels. Yeah? So you can orientate more in order to have a bigger circle.
Or a smaller one. But I use my body a lot.